everyone can watch this show, and it's amazing. It's got amazing lines. It's got a lot of action. It's action version of Hum Aapke Hain Kaun, which you just go here to watch it. Everybody will watch it.
Yeah.
And it's amazing.
हमेशा एक दिल में ये था कि यार फिल्में ऐसी होनी चाहिए, कुछ सीरीज, तब तो सीरीज ऐसा होता नहीं था, लेकिन दिल में एक चाह थी कुछ लार्जर लाइफ कैरेक्टर हो, एक्शन हो, मतलब नॉन स्टॉप एक्शन हो.
Playing Rachna Matre, who works with Commander Karan Saxena, works with me. She represents Mumbai Police. She is a Mumbai police officer.
दोनों एक टाइम पे गड्ढा था वहां पे, मैंने कहा पाँव रखने गई, बेचारी से वहां गड्ढे में जमीन ही नहीं है, मैं भी सवाल दोनों जाके गिर गए.
Hey guys, I'm Manjari Mukherjee and you're watching me on Pop Diaries channel. I'm in conversation with three very special people. They hail from the TV industry, but let me tell you, they are here and they are to wow the audiences. मुझे तो already wow कर दिया है उन लोगों ने. मैं बहुत बड़ी fan हूँ. मैंने उनका काम देखा है. They are loved by the audiences so much out there. And now I'm going to see them in a completely never before seen avatar. In and as Commander Karan Saxena. Not everybody, but yeah. तो कोई है baddie, कोई है police officer, and कोई है the Karan Saxena. But I have to tell you that these are the one and only Iqbal Khan, Gurmeet Chaudhary, and Rita Dulgule. Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you for having us.
I am more honored to have you guys. Sir, first of all, मुझे आपको बोलना पड़ेगा, very big fan. Like, I was very excited to have you in the studio in Pop Diaries, and I am very excited to have this conversation with you.
Thank you. It's really sweet.
Thank you so much for coming. Gurmeet, since the time that we started the studio, मेरा एक ही चीज था कि आपको लाना ही है. So I am very happy and I'm very thankful to Disney Plus Hotstar to get you guys on in the studio. And Ruta, I already told you the feedback. The whole office is mad. They are mad about you. And they were like, कि कब आ रही हैं, कब आ रही हैं. And the moment you walked inside, they were like starstruck. तो उससे ज़्यादा मुझे और कुछ बोलने के लिए है ही नहीं. So thank you so much to all three of you. So starting with you actually first. Your character is something that I actually have very little, information about. Like there's no kind of teaser maybe which is the only thing we have actually as an asset. But so can you give me a little bit of glimpse over your character and what it took you to prepare for it? Because I heard many interesting things like, a bike involving in it and everything.
A lot of incidents involved with the bike riding, but yeah.
Please, over to you.
So I'm playing Rachna Matre, who works with Commander Karan Saxena. Works with me. She represents Mumbai Police. She is a Mumbai police officer, and she is, appointed by the Commissioner of Police to work with Karan Saxena. And what is the best part about Rachna, I feel, is that many a times what happens कि जब हम किसको यूनिफॉर्म में देखते हैं या फिर वेरी अथॉरिटी जॉब जो होता है तो we forget that they're humans too. Even they have their what do you say, weakness and yeah, exactly. तो फिर वो उसका और उसके डैड का जो रिलेशन है, I think that's a very giveaway from that character. And at the same time, she is striving so hard to create a place in a very male-dominated career. So that is also very beautiful, which I liked. A never give up attitude. And एकदम equal टशन देती रहती है वो करण को. So that's what I like the most about her, that she is absolutely, what do you say, unapologetic, which is rare.
Very
Female characters में rare होता है. And it's a very meaty character to perform. It is very layered, like you said कि कुछ reveal नहीं कर सकते रचना के बारे में. I think
यहाँ पे कर दो.
नहीं because there are a lot of don'ts for me to not because eventually once you start watching the episodes you'll be like, oh अच्छा ये ऐसा भी है. And the best part about the series is, what I feel is the pace. And it is so good. Like after every episode you feel like नहीं मुझे second episode देखना है, मुझे third episode. And जैसे जैसे episodes आगे जाते हैं ना, रचना की mystery unfold होती है. So I would say that's the best part. Second part, it was very physically challenging. Chase sequence, भागना. Sir तो he has killed it. You've seen the videos also, BTS videos.
Yes, I've seen it.
Yeah, there's the sequence where I had to ride a bike. एकदम बेसिक प्रॉब्लम, पैर ही नहीं पहुंचते हैं. एकदम बेसिक, लाइक आई कैन ड्राइव. मैंने उनको बोला भाई कार चलाओ.
बहुत हल्की
It was
बहुत ही
very
भारी,
heavy,
मतलब
yeah.
वो तो-
I have tried holding a bike, and
No,
I
it was Maverick,
Kudos to you, yeah,
yeah.
seriously, because I love bikes. So I'm a big fan of Ghost Rider. I don't know why. I watched it when I was very young, and that whole blazing thing was like a very good, cool thing for me. So I used to be a big fan of Ghost Rider. और तब से मुझे like bike का बहुत वो है. तो मेरे को चलाने तो कभी मिला नहीं, क्योंकि you met my dad. My dad is very overprotective about me. So गाड़ी नहीं, cycle नहीं, bike नहीं. So it's like this thing.
Yeah.
So I love people who can ride bikes. And when I heard that you are riding a bike and you learned it in 5 sessions,
Yeah.
and I was like, kudos to you. Wow.
Yeah, but I still have to practice because turning में पैर नहीं पहुंचते ऐसे सब है. But yeah, it was.
तुम्हें याद है
Yeah, we
last
were
day shoot
shooting.
था और एक्चुअली ये बहुत अच्छा चला रही है, लेकिन हमें हमारा एक सीक्वेंस था जहाँ पे एक्चुअली मैं सिखा रहा हूँ,
Okay.
Yeah.
बट शॉट ऐसा था कि कैमरा के मतलब ना दाएं जा सकते हो ना बाएं जा सकते हो, उधर ही आपको घूमना है. इट्स वेरी डिफिकल्ट यार
तो वो
संभालने में.
Yeah.
और दोनों एक टाइम पे गड्ढा था वहां पे, मैंने
Yeah.
पाँव रखने गई, बेचारी से पाँव गड्ढे में जमीन ही नहीं है, मैं भी सामान दोनों जाके गिर गए.
So yeah,
God.
I've fallen a lot of times, but I'm so glad because of Rachna, because of Commander Karan Saxena, एक skill set हो जाता है.
Yes.
So riding a bike now is in my skill set, so I'm really grateful for that. Yeah.
And everybody wants to do one action.
Yeah, and
So,
there's something
yeah.
about a girl riding a bike. I always
There's
had this.
something
I've
about
seen.
a girl being in uniform.
Oh yes, yeah.
So I am very thrilled because I just kind of feel very happy when I see a girl in a uniform. I feel very, but it's overwhelming होता है.
Yeah.
As a girl myself, it just becomes very overwhelming for me also. So definitely, I'm looking forward to it. And as
Thank
you
you.
said, it's a very edgy. The teaser itself reveals that it's going to be a very edgy ride for the viewers and the audience. So coming to Iqbal sir, I want to ask you, from being the heartthrob for many, many millennials out there, I me included,
Fan club. Yeah.
this is a fan club happening
Yeah.
over here, to now being this very cool baddie on screen. I just want to know, how do you sum up this huge journey that you've had over these so many years in the industry?
I've just gone with the flow here. I have not really pondered too much into how to go about it and what to do and what not to do and what to avoid and what not to avoid. Whatever kept happening, just went with it. No agendas whatsoever. I will not take credit for anything. Just happened on its own. Whereas coming to your second part of the question about being a baddie, I think since I've never played such a dark character before, it was very interesting for me. This show is primarily a very, 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 very massive show.
Exactly.
It is. It's something. I might sound cliche, but there's nothing like this on any OTT right now. And I say this with confidence because most of the stuff that's out there, it's good, bad, whatever it is. Most of it is good. But the point is, most of us are trying to prove a point and do something very, very different. I'm not saying ours is not different, but it's just that ours is something that's for everybody out there. You, from kids to the older people to younger to everybody to all sects and whatever, everyone can watch this show, and it's amazing. It's got amazing lines. It's got a lot of action. It's just out there. It's like a action version of Hum Aapke Hain Kaun, which you just go here to watch it. Everybody will watch it.
Yeah.
And it's amazing. It is to miss out on something like that, it would be idiotic. And,
Absolutely. I mean,
for me as an actor, I just believe that I've got this thing in my head that you like to keep the performances as real as possible. So that keeping Jatin Wagle, director, him in control, and he basically he keeping everything in control, and I just felt that he was an asset for me to keep everything real, in spite of it being a massive show, and that's something that makes it different from just a regular your brains at home kind of viewing.
exactly.
And as you said, definitely.
Now you're kind of building up the excitement more. So now I am like more excited because just like you said, the combination is very unique in itself. It's a massy show. The dialogues also kind of, point to that. But then there's also this whole story which is there, which is working for the performers to perform in their characters very well.
It is massy, but it's not filmy.
Exactly.
You know what I mean?
Yeah.
So even if you, for example, the line in the teaser,
Yes.
line in teaser, it's a very, very massy line.
Yeah, the cricket one.
But he said it very normally.
Yes.
So that is, I would say that some of the entire show like that. So everybody in the show is like that.
That's very cool. That's actually super cool. Gurmeet, over to you. It's not the first time they are doing something which is, patriotic in a sense. But what makes this one very different or very close to you in terms of role or character or something that you personally related to?
well, यार मुझे जब मैं इंडस्ट्री में आया था, मैं इकबाल सर से भी जब मैं मिला था, बहुत पहले हम कुछ करने वाले थे, पर तब भी इन्होंने मेरे में वो जुनून देखा था एक्शन का, फाइट का। हम लोगों ने 2-3 महीने हमने प्रैक्टिस भी की थी किसी प्रोजेक्ट को लेके, और तब से मतलब आज सोचो काफ़ी साल हो गए, हमेशा एक दिल में ये था कि यार फिल्में ऐसी होनी चाहिए, कुछ सीरीज, तब तो सीरीज ऐसा होता नहीं था, लेकिन दिल में एक चाह थी कुछ लार्जर लाइफ कैरेक्टर हो, एक्शन हो, मतलब नॉन स्टॉप एक्शन हो, कुछ जिंदगी में कुछ अलग हो रहा हो। थोड़ा बहुत करने का मौका मिला, लेकिन इतना कुछ नहीं किया।
Yeah.
I think मुझे ऐसा लगता है कि कमांडर करण सक्सेना, मैं जो मेरा एक्शन का जो कीड़ा था और जो डायलॉग बाजी का जो कीड़ा होता है, जो एक कमर्शियल फिल्मों में होता है,
हाँ.
जहाँ डायलॉग बाजी होती है, जैसे इकबाल सर ने बहुत सही कहा कि डायलॉग बहुत फिल्मी है, लेकिन बहुत आज के टाइम का है, वो करना ही बहुत बड़ी बात है। तो मैं अपने आप को बहुत लकी मानता हूँ कि ऐसा एक किरदार करने को मिला जो मैं हमेशा चाहता था। और लोग बहुत पूछते हैं कि आपने इसकी तैयारी क्या की। जेन्युइनली इसकी इतनी तैयारी करने की जरूरत नहीं पड़ी, क्योंकि मैं हूँ कमांडर। मेरे डैड आर्मी में रहे हैं, उनको वही देखा है, ट्रेनिंग वही ली है, और जब सेट पे था मुझे पता था कि मुझे क्या करना है। एंड ऑफ कोर्स जब जतिन सर जो हमारे डायरेक्टर हैं, उनको पता था कि कहानी क्या करनी है, कैसे क्या करना, उनको वो जो बोलते हैं वो करता गया। और रही बात एक्शन की, तो मैं ये हक से बोल सकता हूँ कि इतनी मेहनत जो हमने की है वो आपको दिखेगी, और आपको मजा आने वाला है हर एक एपिसोड में।
That is actually fantastic. This actually kind of made me think about this. Ki over the years, Gurmeet, especially to you, I would like to ask, over the years in TV or be OTT or even films for that matter, the content has changed and drastically so. Do you think in a way, ek jo pehle wo na, the stereotyping used to happen for male actors? I'm asking for male actors because a lot of time females को ये पूछते हैं कि सिनेमा में किस तरीके से हम लोग ने change किया है perspective towards female. But do you think that the coming of OTT kind of has, broken down all those labels and stereotypes for male actors, and we see a lot of realistic characters coming out who are basically ordinary people out there, but they are living extraordinary lives. And we are actually loving them. We are connecting to them.
यार मुझे ऐसा लगता है कि ऑफकोर्स OTT आने से एक स्कोप मिल गया सभी के लिए, चाहे वो प्रोड्यूसर हो, डायरेक्टर हो, एक्टर हो। आप बहुत सारा चीज़ एक्सपेरिमेंट कर सकते हो, आप ऑडियंस को अलग अलग चीज़ें दे सकते हो, दिखा सकते हो, और आपको पता चल जाता है कि यार अच्छा ऑडियंस को क्या पसंद आ रहा है। रियलिस्टिक फिल्में, सीरीज लोगों को पसंद आ रही है, उसका भी एक अलग जॉनर है, एक अलग ऑडियंस है। बट हाँ, ये भी कहना गलत होगा कि एक ही टाइप की ही फिल्में चलती हैं। हम अलग अलग, अगर आप जॉनर दिखाओगे तो लोगों को पसंद है, सबके लिए अलग एक ऑडियंस है। OTT से फायदा ये हुआ कि कभी कभी कैरेक्टर जो होता है ना वो बहुत ट्रिकी होता है। फिल्मों में आपके पास 2 घंटे का टाइम होता है जिसमें एक कैरेक्टर को बिल्ड करने का टाइम मिलता ही नहीं। आपको पहले सीन में ही आपको इतना अच्छा परफॉर्म करना है, इतना अच्छा सीन होना चाहिए कि आपको पहले दफा आपको ऑडियंस देखे हॉल में और आपसे प्यार हो जाना चाहिए। वो बहुत डिफिकल्ट होता है। OTT में कहीं ना कहीं मुझे ऐसा लगता है कि आपको थोड़ा सा टाइम मिलता है अपने कैरेक्टर को डेवलप करने का। आप इसलिए आप देखोगे कि टीवी के जो स्टार्स हैं, एक्टर्स हैं, उनकी फैन फॉलोइंग बहुत ही खतरनाक होती है, बहुत, क्योंकि आप रोज देख रहे होते हो, आपके रियल लाइफ में जो फैंस हैं उनकी जिंदगी में आप भी चल रहे होते हो। फिल्मों में ऐसा होता है कि भी आप 2 घंटे 1.5 घंटे के बाद आप अलग दुनिया में, वही एक्टर अभी अगले साल आने वाला है, एक साल में 1 या 2 फिल्में कर सकता है। OTT में दोनों का मिक्सचर है, दोनों चीज एक जगह पे है। आप अपने कैरेक्टर से प्यार कर सकते हो, ऑडियंस आपसे प्यार कर सकते हो, और बहुत सारे एक्सपेरिमेंट भी आप कर सकते हो जॉनर्स में।
That is very true. Looking at all three of you and the people who love you out there, I can completely say कि भाई क्या बाप fan following है. Okay, over to Ruta. The change of content, as I was talking to him, you are also someone who comes from the TV background. But there's also this thing which I'm very curious to know. Did you ever feel कि when you were transitioning from Marathi TV industry to now Hindi mainstream, be it OTT, but still Hindi mainstream, did you ever feel that there was this the stigma that comes with TV actors that surrounds them, especially if they come from regional TV or regional cinema also? There's always this stigma. Did you feel that stigma happening around you?
I wouldn't just say about Marathi television to directly now Hindi mainstream. Marathi television to Marathi theatre to films, and now Hindi mainstream. So I would say वो television से बाहर आने के बाद जब theatre भी करते तभी भी लोग बोलते अरे वो तो television actor है.
अच्छा.
So yeah, it is very. I would say I have never put that stigma. I always feel I should remember that I am an artist first.
Okay.
I can perform in all mediums. It is in the other person's head that okay, she is from original. You give us an opportunity, then you can judge.
Exactly.
Because judging तो in humans है ही, अभी उसका कुछ नहीं कर सकते. But I come from a. Luckily, I've been blessed with such good projects. Like I always felt, I started my career when I was 17. I did a show called Durva. I played Durva. I never thought that I would be an actress or I would be an actor, that I would be seen on television. I'm from a completely middle class Marathi Maharashtrian family. Seeing on television was also like I was living my dream. You can say like that. From transitioning from there to theatre with that, thing ki I want to prove that I'm just not a heroine, I'm just not a good looking girl, but I can perform.
Yeah, that is very true.
Because for me, see, your looks are gonna fade away. Your work is gonna stay. And I always I always manifested that I'll do a film. It will be my debut film, but I'll always do a female oriented film. And I did that.
Yes.
Like in Hindi also, there were times where I had auditioned for a lot of projects, but then there was nothing meaty. Like there was like a trophy heroine, a hero's girlfriend or a wife. But in Commander Karan Saxena, Rachna Matre has her own stand, which I feel thanks to our director and the writer, because they have written that character so well. So I feel ki more than, I won't say I've faced it, no, I've been very lucky with all my projects, and touch would have been lucky with my first Hindi mainstream project also. So, but yeah, people do have that stigma ki yeah, but she's from TV, फिर उसको theatre में देखने कौन आएगा? We have seen and we have heard such statements, but what others think you can't be bothered. You give me the script, I'm gonna perform. That's my job. And I would just like to add what you asked Gurmeet sir about the OTT thing. That I always feel na कि OTT के वजह से there are a lot of avenues open now.
Yeah.
People who have just dreamt of being an actor, they have thought कि because sometimes you feel कि Bollywood तक कैसे पहुंचेंगे यार, किधर से तो शुरुआत करते हैं. So TV and then उसके बाद one step क्या, then OTT like that. So I think OTT की वजह से at least you have lot of avenues open for the actors where not just good physique or not just you have to, एक जो ये होता है ना, क्या बोलते हैं वो, स्टेंसिल कि एक हीरोइन ऐसी ही दिखेगी, ये थोड़ा ब्रेक हुआ है. या सो दैट्स व्हाट आई हैव लाइक्ड अबाउट द. एंड अभी तो आई यूज्ड टू हैव दिस कॉम्प्लेक्स अबाउट माय हाइट आल्सो कि मतलब कैसे क्या है, छोटी ही दिखती, बिकॉज फ्रॉम माय वेरी फर्स्ट शो माय हीरोज हैव ऑलवेज बीन 6'2". आई यूज्ड टू हैव पाटलास. And from the first show only, so I had two heroes. So I had एक hero के लिए अलग पाटला because he was little, obviously taller than me, then shorter than the first hero. उसके लिए अलग पाटला. And I was like, OS लेते तो बोलते कि तू तेरा पाटला लेके घुमा कर तो फिर तेरा career होगा. So I've heard lines like this. So I'm like, okay, cool. So I was like, but then I've realized one thing कि what other people say you can't change it, or what they think you can't change. You give me I just believe as an artist, you give me the opportunity. If I don't perform, then you can say okay, television actor. But I would say television actor matlab what? Because I've been doing television for 10 years. It takes a lot of patience.
That's
every day you have to go and perform. It is not easy.
Absolutely.
So I've got everything from my television show. So even if people ask me now if would you like to do it, I would definitely like to do it. That's not a problem.
Wow.
Yeah.
Okay. Over to you, sir. I have been wanting to ask you this one. Box office in today's time, it determines a lot for the actors in some ways. Even though I don't know if it is the actor's concern or not, but it does determine a lot for the as potential of the actor. It also determines opportunities for the actor in the future. Somehow I feel it is, in my personal opinion, I do feel it's a little unfair on the actors. But what is your take on that?
I think box office initial depends on the actor.
Okay.
Or basically, I would not say an actor. Depends on the star power.
Okay.
So either your producer is a star,
Okay.
or your director is a star, or your actor is a star. Out of these three, somebody has to be a star so that your box office gets an initial. You know, people go flock in the cinema halls to watch them. That's to get them in. Apart from that, it's like a marriage, man. You can get married to some good-looking person, but it'll only last if they're nice people. It's as good as that. So only films that have decent contents, or whether they like it or not. Sometimes people, a very bad content film never works. Something that's boring, and it really doesn't work. So you might not agree with the thought process of the film. You know, or it's I don't like what's being shown. That is something different. But if it's engaging, it'll always work. I don't want to take names, but that's how it works. So so there's nothing unfair at all, and your remuneration also depends on absolutely on how many tickets can you sell. It's very simple.
It's a very simple and sorted way of thinking. Thank you. Lastly, this is my last question. This is something to all three of you. In today's generation, especially in today's generation, somewhere, you know, do you feel that we are kind of disconnecting to our roots, our culture, that the feeling of patriotism is not as much as it was when it was the millennials or the 90s or even before that? Do you feel somehow it's kind of fading because Gen Z is becoming more and more westernized? Have you ever felt that?
No, I feel, you know, every generation we have types of people. Like even, oh, I'm feeling very old right now, but yeah, I'm not that old. But yeah, I would just say ki, it also, you know, what matters is where you're born, which family you're born. Because in my family, I would definitely give such values to my child, right? Because so I don't have a specific answer for this, but I would say westernization has taken over that, I agree. But at the same time, we have to be, I would more say we have to be aligned with our roots because that's where we belong. So I would say I have not seen a Gen Z who is not patriotic. Very frankly, I have not seen.
Yeah.
Because like I said, maybe my circle is very different.
मुझे भी ऐसा लगता है, मैंने भी देखा बिकॉज ऑफ सोशल मीडिया नाउ इफ यू सी बहुत सारे जो नए बच्चे नए लड़के हैं या लड़कियां हों देश के लिए और वो रूट्स को लेके काफ़ी दे आर वेरी अवेयर यार.
I think they're crazy about the country,
Yeah.
at least on social media.
सोशल मीडिया तो हाँ मतलब है तो आज के जनरेशन में है वो बात है वो देश को लेके रूट्स को लेके वो आगे आते हैं यार बात करते हैं. हाँ. देखो फिर
I think I personally feel nationalism, it should start with a bubble. For example, from your family, then from the building that you live in, and then from your workplace. It should, you know, that's all is in your control. I think beyond that is not in your control. And I don't believe in fake chest thumping nationalism where you litter, you spit pan on the road and on the building, and then you look at the flag and you do salam.
Exactly.
That I feel is that is not cool. So you don't pay taxes, you do chori chakari, but you say look at the flag and you say salam. That is very hypocritical. I believe that.
completely aligned to that. Because I have a lot of issues with spitting and everything.
यार मैं तो गाड़ी से उतर के चला भी जाता हूँ कि ये क्या कर रहे हो. एक ने केला फेंका केला एक्चुअली मैंने उसके गाड़ी के अंदर फेंक दिया फिर मुझे लगा यार ऐसा नहीं करना चाहिए कल को कुछ केस वेस हो जाए कुछ बोल देंगे.
किसी ने थूका भाई.
नहीं एक्चुअली ऐसे लोगों को यही समझ आता है नहीं तो उनको तो ऐसा लगता है कि घर तो मतलब घर में तो गंदा करना है बाहर भी गंदा कर दो.
You have the best examples.
You have to keep crushed bottles in your car.
Oh
I'm going to check Gurmeet's car now. He keeps crushed bottles and tissue papers in the car. जो ये किसी ने फेंका उसकी गाड़ी में
ये ले।
गुरमीत शीशे को फट वापस.
Fantastic. And with that, I am at the close of our conversation. I want to thank each one of you. Thank you so much for being so warm. And thank you so much for having this conversation with me. I am very glad and very honored to have all three of you over here in Bombay.
Thank you.
Thank
Thank you
you.
for having
Thank
us. Thank you. Thank you.
Thank you. Guys, you have to watch the teaser, the trailer, everything is the trailer is still left, but guys, excitement तो already बढ़ गई है, and with this I think excitement और ज़्यादा बढ़ गई है. So absolutely do not forget to stream Commander Karan Saxena only on Disney Plus Hotstar from
8th of July.
8th of July.
8th of July, yes.
Okay, and until then, what will you do? As I keep saying, like, share, subscribe, and don't forget to click on that bell icon, and definitely don't forget to comment, and I will see you next time. Bye!